Honorable Speaker, sir, I thank Legislative Affairs Minister Saab for rising and clarifying and giving us all the opportunities for giving the amendments also, sir. But I would like to say one thing and sit down, sir. Sir, he's saying that the rules were prepared when they were in power. Yes, sir, that is right, sir. Sir, we have never been in power, sir. But we objected then also, sir, that this rule is wrong. Sir, let me say this. अब आप सोचिए अपने विजडम से, अपनी सोच से कि आज वो यहां पर क्यों है, कि ऐसे गलतियां करे बोलकर आवाम इनको यहां भेजी और आपको वहां भेजी। अगर आप भी इन्हें जो करे थे बोलकर वही करेंगे तो फिर आप भी बहुत जल्दी फिर वहां से हट जाएंगे। प्लीज, गलत, टू रॉन्ग्स कैनॉट मेक अ राइट, टू रॉन्ग्स कैनॉट मेक अ राइट। People have given you mandate to correct the wrongdoings of these people. So we have to correct that. That is very important, sir. Once again, sir, I thank you very much, sir, and I thank the Minister Saab also for accepting the amendments and giving us a chance, sir. One clarification, Honorable Minister Saab has not given, sir. Sir, after the briefing and after Minister Saab's speech, sir, are we going to adjourn the House and give us a chance next day to come prepared for this or not, sir? Thank you, sir.
Told earlier also, we are very open, and today after you adjourn the House, we will meet tomorrow and we'll take up this discussion further, and the conclusion will be given by Honorable Minister.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I just need one clarification from the chair, sir, is that the bill has been introduced now. The silent features are being getting read by the Honorable Minister Saab. So I would like to know whether we will be getting a chance to give our amendments or not. Because I was told and informed that it has been suspended, it has been announced by the chair. Secretary Saab, I just went and clarified, he said that it has been announced in the House that the bill will be introduced, and today itself the bill will be cleared. So I would like to know, sir, because the rule position says, sir, that you have to give some time. And if a minimum time, at least 12 hours needs to be given for members to submit their amendments. And now that, sir, last night also, sir, at 12 o'clock on the website, in the agenda, it was mentioned, sir. रात के 12 बजे आ रहा है साहब हमारे को एजेंडा, और ये बिल इतना बड़ा है, इसको थोड़ा वक्त अगर देंगे आप तो हम प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने अमेंडमेंट्स भी दे सकते हैं. We can give our good suggestions also in this bill, sir, because earlier government has committed big mistakes and blunders in this, sir. We do not want the same mistakes to be repeated again by the Congress government. So kindly I request the Honorable Chair to give us a time to submit our amendments, and we can continue this debate tomorrow, sir, after your briefing on the bill, sir. Yes, amendment के लिए मौका दीजिए.
చెప్తాను మేము ఏమన్నాం అధ్యక్ష, హరీష్ రావు గారు, అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు సూచన ఇచ్చిండ్రు, సాంబశివరావు గారు కూడా అన్నారు మాకు సమయం కావాలని. ఎప్పుడైనా సార్ మీరు కూడా చూసినారు, अकबर भाई आप भी देखे, कल 10 साल आप ही थे, हम बीच में 5 साल नहीं थे. कभी उन लोग दिए क्या, कभी उन लोग दिए क्या, हम लोग देखो. ఈరోజు నేను మీరు అనుమతిస్తే రేపు మంత్రి గారు కూడా డెఫినెట్లీ రేపు సమయం తీసుకొని చర్చించి తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుందని మీ ద్వారా గౌరవ సభ్యులకు తెలియజేస్తాను.
मज़ीद ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को देखने के लिए आप देखते रहिए फ्लैश 9 न्यूज़। चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.